Hi, I'm Mrs. Hoffmeister. Here's an interesting question for you. Have you ever thought about what you're thinking? Now, I know that seems like I'm repeating words, and I guess I kind of am. But think with me for a minute. Have you ever thought about what's going on in your mind? Let me explain a little bit more. So, when we act a certain way or behave a certain way or say certain things, it's because we have thoughts going on in our head that make us behave that way. And sometimes when we get frustrated because we have a thought going on in our head, and that thought is really hurting us more than helping us. Let's see if I can be more specific. Why don't you come with me and we'll try this math problem. If I get frustrated, but I'm going to try not to, but if I get frustrated, I'm going to start to think about my thinking to see why I'm getting frustrated. You ready? Let's go. Okay. Jasmine has 6 bricks in a straight line. Jasmine. The length of each brick was 7 inches. What was the length of the 6 bricks? Okay, that's so much information at once. I have to break it up. So start with me again. Jasmine has 6 bricks in a straight line. 6 bricks. I wonder what she's doing. Building a wall? Maybe like a castle wall? Or like a wall to keep like a brother or sister away? Or maybe she has a garden and she wants a wall. It's like blocks, right? So she has 6 of these all in like a straight line. I only have 3, but like she has 6 of them in a straight line. Can you kind of see that in your head? Okay, let's keep going. Jasmine has 6 bricks in a straight line. The length of each brick was 7 inches. So each brick that she has is 7 inches. So she's got 7 inches and 7 inches and 7 inches. And she has 7 inches each brick. And she has 6 bricks. Okay? Let's keep going. I think I have a picture in my mind. What was the length of the 6 bricks? The length of the 6 bricks. Well, let me see. Got this, and got this, and she's got these bricks. How many? 6 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bricks. And each is 7 inches. So each one is 7 inches. Wow. That's a lot of 7s. Now, I know some of my facts. I know 2 7s, 2 times 7 is 14. And if I have 3 7s, gosh, 3 7s, 14 plus 7 is 21. Okay, so 7 times 1, 7 times, look at, because since I have all of these lined up and they're all the same, right? I should be able to multiply, but I don't know if I know 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you know what? I don't want to do this anymore. I don't like this. I don't I don't want to do it. Now I'm done. I'm done working. I'm frustrated and I don't want to finish. But if I think about my thinking, the thought running around in my head right now, the thought that I have to capture and think about is this. I can't do it. But let's think about this for a minute. I can't do it. Well, the it is the problem. Can I really not do it? Or is it just hard? You know what? This isn't true. I can do it. I mean, I might make a mistake, but mistakes are okay. I can do this. And maybe I can't do it perfectly, but that doesn't mean that I can't. And just because it's hard doesn't mean I should stop and give up. It just means that I may make a mistake and I just need to take a deep breath. So let me, I can do this. It's okay if I make a mistake. All right, where was I? Jasmine and her bricks. She has 6 of them. Each is 7 inches long. 7, 7, 7. And it looks like multiplication, right? Because 7, or I could also add it, couldn't I? If I don't know my multiplication, couldn't I just add all these 7s together? Boy, that's a lot of work. But that's okay. I can do a lot of work. I can do hard things. So can you. So let's start. 7 plus 7 is 14. I know that one. Okay, now 7 plus 14 is 21. Now I have 3 more. Now this one's easy because I just have to add 7 to 1. I can do that. So that's 28. Now it gets a little tricky. 28, I'm just gonna go over here and do this, plus 7. This is 15. Okay, 35. Okay, I can do this. It's okay if I make a mistake. I'm just gonna go slow. I can. I'm not gonna believe that in my head when I say I can't. Yes, I can. I'm just gonna make myself. Here we go. 1 more. 7 and 5 is 12. I'll regroup here. I have a 10. 42. So, what was the length of the bricks? The length was 42. 42. What? 42 inches. 42 inches. Wow, you know what? I can do it. I can. And even when it got hard and I didn't want to, I just have to think about what my brain is believing. You have to think about what your brain is believing too. because you can. And even if you make a mistake, that's all right. That doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means you are on your way. We are all on our way. And it's not a race. And you can do it in your time. Thank you so much for thinking with me. Gosh, I feel so much better. I can, and you can too.